Okay, now you can go. Yay! Yay, Kaylee! Alright, you want to do it again? Alright, nope. Roll, roll, roll. You're stubborn. You're stubborn. See, I want to be on my back, Mommy. Okay. Here we go. Alright, let's see it. Come on, Kaylee. Oh, are you tired? Come on. Here we go. Oh, you sleepy girl. There she goes. Hey, are you sleepy? Well, you won't take naps on your belly anymore, will you? No, you're cute though. Are you cute? Are you cutie? Yes, you are.